The Fraunfa, Ampia Fraunfa. Now, Baba
2 years is just at the corner.
Baba can pay Kruma Bimana. And this University Crombeck.
I was from Mamma Makwaba at the Bagana and Sem TV. So, but I'm on this like video, no best subscribe to the channel, no attend your notifications. Next time, videos of this nature, also submit to my cabinet. So, watch your comment section. Maybe we are from Mr. President and Major also TikTok or comment section. But be about we are from Mr. President and Major also. You need to say that should be the new patriotic party Aba power. Na ya bana Ghana for nyina hwato e ko amamo we die e die nto Sudan say man we need that bia na de bia me ka sem bi say amanyesom ne yeye no so wa mo ni anda hwa ho be chiro pa the moment abe hold the public office and say who say you own it a responsibility, I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say adi we time nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushamin chankra, mommy enko. The enko video bimra. The video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary guy, not the perspective of Mr. President. Mommy enko message here.
The Fraunfa, Ampia Fraunfa. Now, Baba
2 years is just at the corner.
Baba can pay Kruma Bimana. And this University Crombeck can pay you. What about you? Mubanya Manabasina the bomb mobile. Since you are kind, your friend Amasaman. Tunis as in a Chehossia. A Cobota no Montotroso. A bear was swimming and son and then 9 money. And then Cophobia Besha, Gingin, your cat Gingina, your Brucum Gingin. Gingin to Nias as so. It's a Gingin form free Brucum and Bejas as I was not to him. You are free, baby, I just assassin. Yeah, decided denied at assassin, so now it is so. It is so common. Kumasi for a Fidasi, Mina so I from Muso a good poem so. And I yimum, Brucuma yimum, a so, and soon you know to the assassin. Baby, I will feel by my veteran teach. You have my yard. And you cross it for bed day. Bedom gum cocosu, a bedom did. Bedom cough when you be unknown. Among Penny Mamma, so bragalam say, and say a tea what you be at home, I'm an inferior dune. Sagalam say nerby, and their cost war, Sergeant General. Adaloma, young Pessa, a China BBC to near for. You show up with young bois. A Joda. 1 to 1 hour, the betting to Sukoko, actually a bina. A bina and can be regional Miss and 1 amount. Police by you now, you buy no car say, Busum Mukromono, and they catch and say. And you be a white gist, I got him says, come piano, or Buffy. The Jumata then a channel, the year to me muro. The man to me muro. If it's all Uncle Bedria, so I just can't be a big bonny Dria, police by you can start today. Which some pabwa would the best, which said a duckum. No. One I want class for, one I walk over pine. What down, ma? Gansel personal. I'm feeling go to channel. We won't be a ho, Pilam Pio, if you didn't say, will be a white gist, come be our good Marcia. Or bad time, go and Marciano. Finano. What in a bushia, or just come back on my bush and be it. What Alma? I request my United just can be a Frano. Regional Mr. just can be a Frano. Diana just can be a Frano. Let's give you a General Frano. I'm Pino, I give you a Frano. You're so better my head. You're so better my yama. Kagamaya, what Alma? Dear, why this is come here? I'm still well quite a cost of danger. Chill to me, most of young.
Then it tells us that from Abia Monday call, move to first, move by 30%.
And no dear Enyanwa, say Hunu Mandia and Yanwa.
Yahun Monday and
Yanwa. Because we have been announcing it since Tuesday and a shas here. Say my buying up to and working the last working day Friday. Friday, Yente Asembia Asat now. Menewoka say. Yente asembia and free baby aye. And inti omo aye omo de se ombe weke no omo weke. Ya aye de se ebe kan ho asem no. Eno na meguso a mekai. Say on Monday say transporter bi ana kwantuni bi ekọ ye terminals no e wo the whole Ghana. Na okoto say prices na change a e ma nya ne nwanwa. Na fuel bo akosoro, spare parts bo akosoro, lubricant akosoro, your friend say insurance bibia bo akosoro roadworthy bo akosoro insurance bo akosoro na roadworthy the abe kan sisi a asefin pa delinquency no
delinquency sir roadworthy
ewu enne aye 24th no one ko renew enne na 25th beto so a 80 cedis one day
ena medical ha sound of iron
abuchi wo malacha ya me de bai
ai
pipa ni wuye June ending ene wuye enura 23rd ena me si oka na esifie minika bia me 1990 so nti me nkọ na me nkọ renew roadworthy me call ye no fee na nkasa wo se metua 195 cedis
edemano unya Kamila Al-Hassan ayi teacher ni yo se hwan ya woni akora bi de ba yi o de ne betina ho sopa na wo DJ K unim se atintenhu ta woto na wo hwiri treasure unim se atintenhu eta woto na wo hwiri treasure onzo obi anka bi ma o DJ K onzo obi anka bi ma sa na wiase ne tie so obi asamba fa we ya futuo obi asamba susuka na wonnim de da wanim obi asamba susuka na me me srema wo se ebi mu be defend no wo be defend DJ K sasai enim guase we ya wagu ne ho DJ K nya ni pa asem wo ka no okromu a me se me DJ K no minim de ntia me se me kasa wakama asem me wakama asem ya asa ne ye nya nipa asa ye de ne ye mfura busuam ene de wo me se baby awo no ankasa no baby isu no ko fine na faye somebody can catch us say afaye pa enti ne yentimi nka yentimi enka no se de nka ese ye ka no ene wu nti Kamila Al-Hassan ocha krom ha chese DJ K na wu ni nyansa se ne hwan wo krom ha so obi ya na ade na wonti ase a memfa ne se nipa ne se bi onim de wo ye wu ni nyansa se ne hwan wo krom ha on say so tam yesi wo platform ne so a ya na memfiu utam me nua ba political babies esi wo platform ne so a onse ya ne yemfiu ya na ho yesere ya na video ni ehwe ni say ya ene de ho na ho hye ho no ene una wo hye ho no me se Kamila Al-Hassan ba bi owo bia ne kra ene ne kra ni beba ne ho so ne kra ni beje na explanation be na de beba abonten enra me ye video ba akoma na eno ne ye part 1 we ye part 2 me twen so obesa ba abonten abekeka obeti aden na mumu bi munya nipa munsusu ha DJ K misise wa we awe nsem a o ka fa me ho DJ K and then na o hye ho no next time ufu akokwa a obefre no alolo ewiase na ho kwa ena ewiase no ensa emmeka wo no yenkoka no ano a emmeka wo no yenkoka no Kamila Al-Hassan video ba wo si obia wo ho kwan se video ba abonti on be kirechiro ma adwene ene wo so de aba ye be kirechirem ye de pen ni paper beto ho na wo kra se won sa anya good unsa anya good
What be man ko foforo unfa ma assembly unfa ma sanitation bio anya wa sa sanitation for disika yakwaji loan na breast sanitation for unfa anya hwe na wo ba obeje fi sanitation for na wo je ye no enya wa sako hwe no sako shi ta nso tonshina baby shi hey who ya dio nkwa ho ba eja hihie hey Mr. Pad unya ba perfect intro say what a pad sanya wide we say pad na be ye bibia mo It took about 15 minutes. You can even waste as much as 1.5 hours. So we are just pleading. They should just come to our aid. Make it a little more trouble so that it will be. I'm a teacher and I'm still here. My learners are in school waiting for the teacher and the teacher is still here. So we are just pleading. They should just come and fix it for us. We beg them. How long have you been waiting? Oh, I got here for almost 4 hours. Yeah, if I'm not, yeah, 4 hours. Because I got here before 6 o'clock and we are still here. It's 9 something. So it's more than almost 3-4 hours we've been here. And so these are the more residents who are gathered here, sharing their flight here. I understand your frustration, but let me engage some of the organizers of this particular demonstration. Now we understand you've blocked the road for close to 3 hours. She says she's a teacher. She's not able to go to school. So how long are you going to continue this?
Amasaman, more than 4 hours. More than 4 hours.
Oman we just say yenim oman issue ayewo koye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwaku for Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia yede ma oman we a any 2024 elections eko no ma Dr. Bawumia eden na de kire Ghana fa se me ba we ni we na meyama mo na busia na ke yensem pata de yensa kan serious so in fact oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi presidency oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi leaders are KBA, the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party, KBA borrow another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impoyen because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals and the is yen because of time. But those ones it go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look say we have some of the hospitals in fact, yeah, equipping hospitals not all right too. But because of political tantrums and political gains, many can say, "Just hospital and a go sana no me say." It is a Kenyan who saying a no man in Abaya. This is a scan of the was I would to me say, "Oh, I mean, say almost same people for comfort." Name my comfort must sacrifice discard to what the hospitals are most of my comfort. A comfort my facilitating me on funded free seniors who some are comfort. Is there any Ghana for debut? I find a tables net 10 after the Mokika. Why are they shouting? Obian can't to me and call I saw from among common into with the greatest of respect among common into them queen in a home. Chief imam for them common to them queen in a home. Politicians need common to them queen in a home. Market women among common to them queen now. Obian can't to them queen in a home. 2020 Jua, then you know the way forward. Yet you come over so no bow no the credit scoring system, but I must open content. Nancy Bibi Nina said, "Ye be a kitting, invest square kitting. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk." And here same cranny. Obi my credit scoring system also open kitting. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems. Most of them kitting. Is any one day? You people chose policy. You people chose music over policy. Na ne yete ne nyine ho papa na fe na mbusu wache dem me na wo ne wo sia che me sabi me na me ko ka che Ibrahim Dramani ma so o mema was come to butu wa ye wa ha digitalization ye start say ye mo se da bi digitalization en to kinki nti mo pe kinki sika nti amamu papa na ba o mo ma mo kinki amamu ade da mo kam ye wo ko mo ya e de Ibrahim Dramani ma ko gina fese and can form Gafon catch up say, "Oh, Gafon, na mo de onye kinki na muhia digitalization bia." And I Gafon say, "Okay, me beto aba na ma boom. Mo to aba ma kinki government a etimi."
Say dey ko ye kra de menu now to me who letter bi a yoko for tro ye eba council of state member voter region. Na me say fiam, Ramona Chapa ya hype say where can say Israel train, Israel train.
But the issue is true.
Okay, the letter now was say Council of State member no, were former staff Emanam 1, which is never true.
Onya Juma order.
Onya Juma or da. And Onya Juma or da. Amanam 1 for the first time. Nam 1 I post. Oh yes, Nam 1 I post.
Yeah, no catch you. We say, oh, the panel boy.
Or sister.